Well, that works so much better. Okay, so I'm over here where I'm going to build 6 12 by 4 raised beds in this area right here, where it looks thick right here. I've made a watering system. I had broccoli planted here last year. I put these black weed things down, but I've let it go since then. So I'm gonna take all this stuff up, come through here with my tractor, bush hog this, get it down deep, nice and cut, and then it's gonna be a whole process, several videos of me starting my raised beds, building them, and pretty much recording the whole thing, the whole progress in a time lapse through several videos. I'm planning on trying to plant some stuff in them this fall, even if I don't have all 6 of them. I may only have 2 or 3, but that's what I'm working for this section. So what I'm about to do is start taking all this up, and then I'll just kind of time lapse it. Alright, I'm going to try and pull this one up. Probably won't record it. That last one was kind of hard. Y'all probably don't want to watch that anyway, so I'm out of breath from that first one. Had to pick up through all the roots and all the way down it. Kind of a pain. So I'm going to do this one. I'll pull it back, pull it out the way with the other one, and then I'll get back with y'all when I'm on the tractor. I'm going to come through here and bush hog this whole section and get it kind of ready for later on when I do the raised beds. So I'll see y'all back when I'm on the tractor. Well, that works so much better. Should have done that on the first one. Just took my bucket and got a little lower than that tarp. I just pushed it out. Definitely way, way easier. I wish I'd have thought of that on the first one. Put the bucket to use on that. Now I can go back and we'll record bush hogging this little area, prepping it a little more, and getting it prepared. Okay, got that bush hogged. Got this little area done where the raised beds are gonna go. Accidentally ran over my cutters. They, yeah, handles broke off of them. Looks like they'll still work. Here's the other half. But got that bush hogged, cleared up a little bit. Got my, I'm gonna have to get rid of this stuff, throw it away. This little tarp stuff. I got my cut out PVC waters. I'm gonna have to widen those a little bit once I do the raised beds, but got that done. This is part 1 of my raised bed progress. I'm gonna get a whole raised bed section here. 6 of them total, a couple trellises. Try to get it looking pretty good over here. Put pine straw or mulch down on the ground everywhere. Won't have to worry about weeds. But this is part 1. Thank you for watching. Alright, figured I'd show you all this. I got my corn here in my buckets. It's starting to fall over because of this wind. So what I'm just doing here is I'm going to put some extra dirt I got laying here to the side. I'm just going to try and stand it up as best as possible. This one might be too far gone. Fell over pretty bad. I've done stood up the other few. Figured I'd record this and show y'all. That's better. It's still probably going to fall over, but these are looking fine. I stood those up some. They're looking good. All I did was take some dirt and pile it and just kind of pack it in a little bit. Just kind of pack it in there just to make sure it sits right. And this one over here looks fine. Over here, the raised beds, they're all looking pretty good. All standing up pretty straight. But I'm probably going to add just a little bit of dirt around them and pack it just a little bit. Give them a little extra support. Yeah, that one's kind of loose. Rest of them look, this one's a little shaky. That one right there. Just kind of pack it. Try to keep them from falling over. pack this last one in the back. And then that's the corn. It's definitely growing pretty quick.